Hello everyone, there is an important update. So many of us have this keyboard issue. After removing this keyboard, most of our laptops start by sorting these pins right here. So what I did is I did something. Let me show you. Okay, as you can see here, uh, I applied sellotape on the terminals. Okay, if you can see, only the terminal 5 and 6 are functional. So after sorting these two terminals, the 5 and 6, my laptop starts. So what I did is I covered all of these terminals with a very thin sellotape like this. Okay, and cut it very nicely so that it can fit in the slot easily. Okay, so after that your keyboard will be disabled. Okay, only your power key will work. So if you have an external keyboard like mine and you use your laptop on desk only, then let me fix it. It will be a bit harder because it's thick, but try to use very thin sellotape. Okay, and we will close it. Okay, now your keyboard will be disabled. Okay, only your power key will work. So this is the update. I saw one of our group members has like two wires coming out of the laptop and he was just shorting those two wires. So in that case, I don't know, maybe he did some soldering work or anything, but this is the thing. Just cover all the terminals except of the two pins which you sort to start your laptop. And if you have external keyboard, then this may be a good temporary fix for your laptop. Thank you.